Here's how to solve SOS only on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can solve SOS only on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So if you don't know what SOS only is, you'll be able to see SOS only like SOS sign right next to your Wi-Fi. So here as you can see, I actually don't have SOS sign because I don't have a SIM. But if you got any SIM or any carrier settings, you will be able to see SOS if your SIM is not working correctly or you got any problem with your SOS. So what you can do to solve it, basically just go to your settings, and once you're in settings, what you have to do is just go to your general. So here as you can see, the general setting is right over here. Like once you're in your settings, just go to general and you will be able to see the about settings. So in about settings, what you have to do is just check if you got any updates for your courier prompt or like anything to solve your SOS problem. So you will be able to see any update and you will be able to just download it right away. So just install the update and your problem might be fixed. So if it's still not fixing, what you can do is just go back and scroll down until you see transfer or reset your iPhone. Just press on transfer or reset your iPhone and then just press on reset. So here you will be able to see reset network settings. So if your problem isn't still solved and your SOS problem is here and you tried everything, so this is the last option that you could do, is just basically reset your network settings and just go ahead and reset. So once you press on reset network settings, it will just ask you for the passcode and then it will ask you to confirm your reset network settings. So it won't delete anything from your iPhone or do any factory reset. It will just basically reset your network settings and it will solve your SOS problem if it's still not fixing. So yeah, that's how you can solve SOS only problem on your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.